So what in the world do you do with rebates and cash back? Well, a lot of people say that you should take that rebates and cash back inside of YNAB and apply it to the category that rebate or cash back came from. But sometimes, actually, I found a lot of the times, I have no idea where that cash back originated from, right? I don't know if it came from the groceries I bought the other day or if it came from the iPad I bought. I have no idea. A lot of times those cashbacks come so infrequently and at sporadic times, it's hard to really tell. So I found an easy way to resolve that. Now, some people just allow it to go into their ready to assign. But the problem with that is, if you take a look here at my budget, is that sometimes it will go, when you do that, into your income area if you put it to ready to assign. So let's say, for instance, you had a cash back that came in, right? And you went ahead and entered that in here, and then you put it to ready to assign. It's going to act like that was income. And maybe that's not a big deal to you, but for me, I like my reports to reflect accurately, because cash back is not income. It's just a rebate that you got back. So typically what I do is, when I go ahead and enter that in here, right, I go ahead and add that to my holding tank. And I have a section here for rebates and cash back. As you see, I already had one. And if you click on that, you see that it was Apple Cash, because Apple Cash does the same thing in a way. So it does cash back as well. So that's all I did, right? I added it here to my rebates and cash back. And so when I do that, then I can assign that money to something else, because I've got that money back. It's just being applied to a different area of my accounts. But then I take that, and then I will either, 9 times out of 10, I will take that amount, throw it up here to ready assign, and then hit underfunded and let it just disperse it somewhere, because it's really not that big of a deal where it lands. It's more so of the fact that it landed somewhere, and that's really what I care about. So that's typically how I handle rebates and cash back. So how do you handle rebates and cash back? Do you have a separate category, or how do you handle it? If you don't mind, leave me a comment right down below. And like always, if you like these episodes and want to see more of them in the near future, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.